Hello coffee lovers and budding bean roasters. I'm just going to do a quick unboxing of the SandBox Smart R1 roaster and the SandBox Smart C1 cooler. I'm going to do the cooler as it's on top. Let's do this one first. So, nicely packaged. And this one, pretty self-explanatory really. Little cooling tray for the roasted beans. So there's the actual body of it. It's got a fan underneath there. So nice looking. Actually, yeah, it's really nice looking, and feels substantial, not sort of flimsy or anything. So that looks nice. So now the business end, the roaster. And I'll get this out and I'll show it on a table in a second altogether, but let's just get these out. It's pretty well packed, and I'll just show you what it looks like in the box, like that. Heat protective gloves, the manual, the roaster. Don't try this at home. Plug stuck to the bottom. And you've got nice rubber feet, so it's not going to move around too much, but here it is. Now I think that looks a really cool roaster. It's so compact. This table is very small. I'll put the dimensions up and I'll actually set it up on a table in a minute, but that looks like a really nice piece of kit if you're into gear. And if you, the bean tray, the cooling tray, I don't want to scratch the top, but you know, this package here is really compact. I wasn't expecting it to be this small, but yeah, really pleased with it so far. In terms of the look of it, the weight of it feels nice and sturdy. So let's have a little look inside. There's the roasting drum. I'll show you inside in a moment. Really nice, neat package. Looks good. I'm going to have fun with this, I think. I'm just going to set this up on the table over there and give you some close-up shots, show you what was in the box, so you know what you're getting if you get the roaster. But if you have any questions about it, then let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to find out how I get on with the roaster as well. I'm really excited to start using the R1 roaster. I've had my eye on it for a while, really wanted to start experimenting with roasting my own beans, and this looks like it's really easy to start, so can't wait to get going with it. There was a flash sale and I managed to get a great deal on it, so I'm really happy with it. One other thing to mention is that you can actually buy this individually, but some shops I've noticed do a combo of this plus the cooler as well. So here we go then. Up close and personal with the SandBox Smart R1 roaster and the SandBox Smart cooler. Just showing you exactly what you get in the box, or what I've got in the box. So going from left here, we actually get some heat resistant gloves. See that here, nice. I haven't used them yet, so I don't know how good they are, but they feel very thick, so hopefully they work okay. Something I didn't notice until unwrapping the gloves is that you get a brush for which you can brush out the chaff in the roaster. So that's pretty handy. So now the roaster. Let's open the door here. Very nice resistance to the door. Feels really kind of sturdy. And then in the roaster, here we go. So this is the drum. It's got this anchor here to keep it in place. So you can pull this. Here we go. So that's inside. For you techies, if you know exactly what everything does or want to see inside, there we go. Here is the tray, chaff tray. Pretty smooth. The drum, just a little look at the drum. Not sure what I'm looking for, having not roasted before, but everything looks pretty good. Looks lovely. Really like the look of it. And then the cooler. And of course you have the manual here, and the product warranty for the tray. Now the manual, you know, there's a few pages to it, but there's only about 7 pages of English. So 7 pages of English, and a lot of it is kind of safety instructions, or at least a page of it is. So I'll just quickly open it up for you to see if we can look at those specifications. So that's it. Really looking forward to getting started using this roaster, and if you want to join me on my roasting journey, please do subscribe, and if you have any questions that you want answered or another video that you want made, please do let me know in the comments. See you soon, and while you're here, why not take a look at this other video.